Yeah, what's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you how I'm hunting pips. A lot of crazy profit I'm making on Dima account. Yeah, I'll be showing you how my trade history. I used to make a lot of losses. Let me show you. As you can see down here, I was making a lot of losses until I discovered something. When I discovered that up to now, about a week now, I haven't made loss again. And I hope I'm not going to make loss. So let me show you how it started. You see that 22nd September, I made a loss of $130. Then on the 21st, I made a loss of 43. Yeah. So that's how I was making losses until I discovered something. And since then, I've been making profit. As you can see, 23rd, the next day I made a profit of $698. Then 26th, I think it was weekends, so I couldn't trade on 24th or so, 25th rather. Then as you can see, 26th, I made a profit of $1,517. Then the next day, 27th, I made a profit of $218. Then 2 days ago, that is 28th, I made a profit of $748. Yeah, I do make losses, as you can see. I made a loss on Euro USDT, $430. And then 30th, that is today. See the profit I'm making. So far, I made $1,768. And now I made a loss of $341 on USDT JPY. Now, as you can see, I still have a trade running. That's the gold trade, as you can see. So today, I'm going to show you how you can set break even. The last video I made, I didn't talk. So many people said they don't understand. But before I continue, please, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumb up. If you have anything, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget, I'll be sharing this strategy with you in the next videos. Just that I'm busy and I don't have some gadgets that I want to explain the strategy well. I want to use a large screen, that is machine, that's laptop, so that I can explain the strategy well. With the phone, it will not be effective. So guys, don't miss this strategy. So I urge you all to subscribe before I release the video on it. So now, how to set the break even? You tap on it. The stop loss. We use the stop loss to set the break even. So we're going to change the break even to we're going to change the stop loss from 168 to currently, let's see the price of gold. Right now the price of gold is 1,664, and we entered the trade at 6,000. Let me show you something. This is the current price of the gold. This is the price at which we open the position. This is the stop loss. So we are going to use this, the current price, and then the price at which we open the position, then the stop loss to set our break even. So the break even point is going to be in between the price at which we open and then the price at the current price, in between this. So we are going to set the stop loss to be 166. 1665. So 1665. Now let's make it 166. So that would be $254. So now if our trade happened to reverse, when I opened the screen, when I started recording was $400 and something, 430 or so. So now it has reversed. It has reduced from 430 to 600 and 300 and something. So now, if this trade happen to be reversing and it get to this price, when it get to this price, it will close, and you are going to get a profit of 200 and let me show you. We're going to get a profit of $254. So we will not make loss, and we will also take our full profit. But in case the trade happen to continue and hit our take profit, we'll take the full profit, which is $1,054. This is crazy. So that's how you can set break even. You just set the break even between the price at which you open and then the current price, so that when the trade happen to reverse, it will close at the profit for you. Some people set it at the price at which they open it, so that when the trade happen to reverse, they'll not lose anything. So they neither make profit nor loss. But as for me, I set it in between the price at which I open the position and the price at which, and then the current price rather. So I'll make a small profit instead of no profit, no loss. To me, that's how I set my break even. You can also follow that, which is very helpful. So guys, as I said, I'll be I'll be doing a video recording on how explaining my strategy I've been using, and I make no more loss. So I'll be doing a video recording on that. So don't forget to subscribe in order not to miss such a video. For the sake of support, just subscribe. Because of I don't have some fans, that's why I'm not trading on real account and doing proper videos is something else. So I urge you all to hit the subscribe button, give a thumb up. If you have anything, let me know in the comment section below. But before I end this video, I'm using Exness. If you're not using Exness, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can sign up. Exness is one of the best brokers behind most of the successful traders. They have tight spread and very tight spread. And one thing about them is when you're about to enter a position, they'll tell you the amount of dollars you're about to lose, your profit and loss. They'll determine that for you. Unlike other brokers, you just enter the position without knowing your profit, your target profit and your target loss. So Exness is very flexible. They have a variety of withdrawal methods and variety of depositing methods. So guys, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can sign up and enjoy amazing features. And don't forget to subscribe once again. If you don't have anything to say, just comment. God will bless our hustle. Online hustlers, God shall bless our hustle. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.